Hello, this is Brian with Ghosts of Georgia Paranormal Investigations, and today's talk is on the Mel-Meter, specifically model Mel-8704R. The Mel-Meter is used as a simultaneous EMF and temperature measurer and, of course, readout. It has a red illumination display, which allows us in the dark to see better. Let me go ahead and turn it on for you. Okay, so what you'll see is at the very top is where we are measuring the EMF field in milligauss, and below is where we're measuring the temperature in Fahrenheit, which is set at 67.9 degrees. The Mel-Meter also offers two other options. If you would prefer, instead of Fahrenheit, to measure in Celsius, you can do that. Or instead of milligauss, if you would rather measure in microtesla, you can do that as well. Ghosts of Georgia prefer to use milligauss and Fahrenheit, and we consistently stay with that through all of our devices. The Mel-Meter is really made up of two parts. You have the main device, which is here, and you have the thermocouple probe, which is this yellow device. It's about 1 inch long wire on it. And sometimes if that wire gets bent or comes loose, overused, then you can order this part separately and you don't have to order the main device. So why do we use the Mel-Meter? A lot of EMF detectors that are used in the field were not created for paranormal investigations. They're usually created to find wiring or to measure the magnetic field to see if they were at risk. Nowadays, new pieces of equipment are created specifically for the paranormal field, and the Mel-Meter happens to be one of the popular ones that we like to use. When we need to measure EMF and temperature, it's great to have it in a one-handed operation so that we can use the other hand for cameras, videos, whatever it happens to be. This device in particular is great for real-time air temperature readings and EMF field readings. In the field when we use it, it's very quick to respond, and it has been very accurate as we use other devices to measure it. The big thing I like the most, other than the one-handed, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit on it here just to see the buttons. Okay, so you'll notice here, we can actually hold the screen. So if we get some kind of great reading, we can hold it and we can capture that. You can also change the backlight here, the unit, again, whether you're going to do milligauss or microtesla or Fahrenheit or Celsius can be changed there. You can actually even record, and of course you have the power button here. This power button in particular, you just hold one side for on and the other side for off, and it takes just a couple seconds for it to power off, which it did. If you look along the sides and the back of the device, there are, other than a holder, there are no other features you need to worry about. You can of course plug in the power down here, but we use it to operate on a 9-volt battery mostly. And that's it for the Mel-Meter. We use it again at milligauss and Fahrenheit, and it's a great device for measuring the EM field and temperatures when you're doing readings. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Ghosts of Georgia Paranormal Investigations.